Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a CAME BPT TH 500 thermostat and you are looking for how to replace the batteries or change the batteries. It's very easy to do. The hardest thing to do is to find the two batteries that you need to put in it. You got to go find two AA batteries. And once you find your two AA batteries, then the process is very simple. All we're going to do is come under the bottom of the thermostat like this, and there's a little tab that we can release, which then we can flip the flip the thermostat open, revealing the inside of the thermostat. And from there, we can just take our two AA batteries. You'll see them in there. You can take them out and just it's kind of at the very top. So if this is a thermostat, the batteries are behind here, but at the very top. And we'll just come in here with it flipped open. We'll take the two batteries out of the top and put our two new batteries in. Just make sure we respect the polarity, putting the plus to the plus and the minus to the minus. Otherwise, you could damage it. And then flip the thermostat closed and you're done.